Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a simple remedy that is going to help prevent your hair from splitting. This remedy is going to prevent any kind of split on your hair. This remedy is going to help nourish, moisturize, help in the growth and health of your hair. So if this is your first time stopping by, please click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell if you haven't already. And if you find this video in any way helpful and useful to you, please share it with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up. Egg white. We're needing just the white part of the egg. Egg white is rich in protein, it's rich in vitamins, it's rich in minerals. Egg white is very nutritious and very healthy. It's going to help moisturize and give your hair all the protein it needs to be healthy and grow naturally. Almond oil. Almond oil is rich in very many antioxidant properties. Almond oil is rich in vitamins and minerals. Almond oil is going to help rejuvenate, grow your hair, get rid of any kind of itching and split ends from your hair. Almond oil is going to moisturize and grant your hair all the nourishing it needs. Wash our egg. Now we're going to break the egg so that we can get the whitish part of the egg. We just need the white part of the egg. Guys, we have our egg white here, as you can see. We have the egg white. Next thing we'll be doing now, guys, is to add our pure almond oil to the egg white. We need 2 tablespoons of almond oil. We'll mix this all together till well combined. Mix thoroughly. If you have coconut oil, you can use that as well. If you have almond oil, it's still very okay. And if you have any vitamin E essential oil, you can add it to this remedy. But this one is just very okay. You still get the same result. The effect is still the same. So our mixture is ready. Now guys, to apply this mixture on your hair, you partition your hair into small parts. Then you apply this just on the ends of your hair, the strands, the ending part of your hair. Just apply it one after the other. Just apply it on. Imagine if these are the strands of your hair. Just apply it like this. Apply it all through the end, the strands of your hair. You apply it gently. You repeat this about twice a day. Do it morning and evening. You repeat this for 2 weeks and you are definitely going to see an excellent result. You do this daily, twice in a day. Repeat for 2 weeks. Just apply it on the strands of your hair. You will discover that your hair will stop splitting and is going to grow and thicken overnight. So guys, this is all there is to this video. If you find it interesting or useful in any way, please share it with your friends and loved ones and give us a huge thumbs up. Click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload useful and new videos like this on this channel. Till my next video, I'll see you all very soon.